before starting the video, this is the request to you all that please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and then click on all to get all my notifications whenever I upload video. And today we are going to make a refreshing green apple mocktail or mojito. So let us start with its recipe. So starting with our recipe, for that take a mixer jar and add green apple, 1 green apple diced. Now in this add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add some fresh mint leaves. Now in this add a pinch of salt. Now add some fresh crushed ice. And now grind it and make a nice paste or puree out of it. Green apple puree. Just grind it well. So once you've grinded it and made a nice paste out of it, just keep it aside. And now we are going to make the mojito or the mocktail. For that, take a glass in which you are going to make the mocktail or mojito. And in this add 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar or according to you. And then in this add ice cubes, some crushed ice. And then add a small piece of lemon and around 2 to 3 mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. And now just squash it little bit, slightly squash it so that the essence of the mint and the lemon gets into the drink. Do not over squash or else it would become bitter. And now once you've squashed it, add the apple puree or apple paste which we made, around 3 tablespoons. And now in this add a pinch of salt. Now in this we are going to add club soda or the plain soda, around 1 cup. And our refreshing green apple mojito or mocktail is ready.